All right, so we are given this expression or equation, and we are required to solve for the value of a, right? Given that x is equal to minus 3 is one of the solutions of the equation. So right off the back, we can substitute for x, right? So I'm going to rewrite the equation. So I will say minus 3a, right, plus 3 in brackets squared is equal to 36, right? Here, all I've done is substitute for the x value. That's how I got minus 3a, right? And to get rid of the square sign, we need to find the square root of both sides of the equation. So we have square root of this and then square root of that, right? When you do this, you have to put plus or minus in front of the square root sign on the right hand side, because if you square a positive or a negative number, it's still going to be positive, and that's the reason why. So I'm going to rewrite this as minus 3a plus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 36 is what? 6. So this is how it will look like. And then we can see that 3 is a factor we can use to divide the equation. So if I divide each element by 3, I'll end up with minus a plus 1 equals plus or minus 2, right? So this actually comes up with two equations that we need to solve. One is for plus 2, one is for minus 2. So let's go with the plus 2 first. So I'll go with minus a plus 1 equals 2 or plus 2, and then solve for this. So I'll have minus a. If I subtract 1 from both sides, the 1 on the left goes away, and the 2 becomes what? 1. So a is equal to minus 1, right? And then we can look at the answers. So C is the answer, right? Assuming we did not get the answer after solving for the first equation, we can go ahead and try the second equation, right? Which says minus a plus 1 equals minus 2, right? And then minus a is going to be equal to minus 3. So just subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. So the minus 2 becomes minus 3. And from here, we can divide by minus 1, right? Both sides by minus 1. So the left side becomes a, right side becomes 3. And you notice that this is not in our list. So this is our answer. All right.